Ciao! Welcome to Maria Teresa's kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make chocolate budino with toasted walnuts. Place the milk in a saucepan and heat it until simmer. Whisk the yolks with the sugar and the marsala until the sugar is dissolved. Add the hot milk to the yolk mixture, whisking constantly to avoid scrambling the yolks. Pour the mixture in a saucepan and heat over medium heat, stirring constantly. The temperature should reach 170 Fahrenheit. Pour the custard over the chocolate and whisk until completely melted. Add the olive oil and the salt. Scoop the budino on each ramekin and refrigerate for 1 hour covered with plastic wrap. Toast the walnuts in a preheated oven for 10 minutes. Chop the walnuts and top each budino with the walnuts and some candied orange peels. Let's try. I hope you like this video and I'll see you next time.